Since past 3 months, whole world is facing COVID-19 effect, the COVID-19 pandemic disease. It has made everyone's life tough. People are worried about upcoming threats also. I've met many people, they say we are going back, country is going in a reverse mode. We are all in a panic mode, what to do, how to go about. So I just want to know, has COVID-19 made any effects on your business like others?
Of course, our business is the most hit business, you can say.
Okay.
Of course, all the industries, be it aviation, be it tourism, be it hospitality industry, everything has come to a standstill, you can say, across the globe. Not only
yes.
my business, not only Amog business, but we were equally or as badly as the other industries are hit. Because salon supposed to be a place where there is a chance of close contact.
Yes. Close contact.
Correct.
Right.
No. In fact, that was the last thing. The dental clinics and the salons were the
Salon
last
and,
ones
gyms
which
also, yes.
the government allowed to open, of course, with certain strict guidelines and protocols they have to follow.
Okay.
So obviously 2-3 months we had no business, zero billing.
Okay.
And it's a credit business what we are doing. So no money is coming back from the market because no customers are walking into the salons. I'm not blaming anybody. It is world over.
Okay.
But only thing what I can say is when the business was good, none of us have disclosed.
Right.
None of us admitted that I am doing good.
Okay.
Everybody cries, even others will tell their turnover is so much, profit is so much. There are agencies. But Mukesh Ambani will not come, hold a mic and say, I am the richest man. Never.
Right.
Even though he is the richest man, he will never accept the fact that, or he will not announce himself. So everyone has, God has given sufficient income to people. Of course, we are not daily wages.
Right.
They are actually the badly hit people.
Okay.
Now, I will divert a little bit because
Yeah.
the word benevolent, after you gave me that
Title.
title,
Okay.
so I read some quotes and some books or dictionaries or Googled and I found out. See now, after something, once you have earned or little money with which you can run your family, what you can do for the others or society at large.
Yes.
So during this COVID period, not only human beings are suffering,
Yes.
even the mute animals, I'm just adding, be it a cat or a dog or a stray dog,
Yes.
even they are foodless.
Yes.
Because of the lockdown, people are not walking onto the road. Restaurants are closed, hotels were closed, no waste food is thrown in the thing.
Right.
They are helpless actually. So we at Amog Enterprises, not only after the COVID, even before that, I have made it a point for at least 5 years I took to stabilize myself first. I was a stray man on the streets when I left that company.
Okay.
So now that I have overcome that to some extent,
Okay.
I should help the needy, not the greedy. I don't
Yes.
spare
Right.
people if they owe me something, but I help the others.
The needy one.
Yeah, the needy one. Who are the needy ones? The deaf and dumb, the blind people. They are not as strong.
Yes.
Not all the blind people are as strong as us because there are some exceptions.
Yes.
There are some physically challenged people who become champions. They even win Olympic gold medals in Paralympics.
Yes. Yes.
There are such characters, very few. Rest of them need some kind of a support.
Right.
So I have made it a point to, rather than donating money to the God, God never asks you for any donation. He is the giver. He is not the taker.
Yes. Right.
People offer gold, diamond, everything.
Yes.
I don't know
Because all
why.
come from him, right?
It comes from him. Why should we return it to them? Be a God to these people instead.
Yes.
They will worship you. They may not announce on a mic or they may not put it in a newspaper. That is not required for us.
Right.
Do good to them. Do good to the mute animals. There are one or two agencies, NGOs in Mangalore. So I donate generously. I am not starving, no. I am not rich, but I am not starving.
Okay.
God has given me sufficient to eat at least, to live. I have got a house. To move around, I have got a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Then what else you need? They are helpless. They can't speak. They can't express. They are hungry.
Yes.
They are sick. Feel for them. It is any day better than helping a human being.
Right.
Because there is a chance that you expect something back from a human. I give you 50,000. After 2 months, I will ask, when are you returning? I give 50,000 to an animal care trust. I don't go and I can't ask with the dogs and cats or the pets.
Okay.
Correct? Or the mute animal. I had paid 50,000 pa. Now it is 3 months. Please return.
With
So,
interest.
with interest. So no. So
Okay.
whatever you have, you share. God will definitely support you indirectly. Do good to the society at large. Different people are doing good things
Yes.
in a different manner towards environmental protection. People plant trees.
Yes.
Correct, no? That's a good thing, they say. I don't have land, acres of land to develop a forest or something, unfortunately. So otherwise I would have planted trees.
Right.
So we have decided to share 10% of profit every year, annual turnover, and the profit, what I earn out of that. It goes to such institution or such people or thing. Actually, if a man decides, in any city, there are filthy rich people.
Right.
The entire cost of one XYZ product can be borne by one single man. They have everything in life.
Right.
They have sufficient bank balance, but they don't have a soft heart
Right.
or a willingness to donate money for a good cause. That's what I feel. Otherwise, these people don't have to ask. You have seen, in some places they keep on box.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Right.
Support. Correct, no?
Correct.
The mute animal. People put 5 rupee, 10 rupee. Anyway,
Yes. Yes.
honey,
That's
good
like
idra halla.
donation
It is
box or
required.
something. Yes. Right, sir.
So, and even if you go to KFC or you go to Domino's, under that, they have put some 2 rupees for hungry children. 2 rupees. There are people who can even 2 lakh rupees they can donate. They don't have a heart. They don't have a willingness. What is the use of all the wealth? Keeping it in your locker, keeping it in your bank, and leaving it for somebody else to eat in the end.
Right.
This is like a Buddha got Jnanodaya, Ashoka got Jnanodaya, like Govindraya got Jnanodaya after the age of 50.
Okay.
So now I have realized, I can't afford to donate in lakhs, but definitely there is some percentage because it is the meager margin.
Right.
The margins are very less, but out of that, 10%, come whatever may, every year goes for the support of either blind or deaf and dumb or mute animals and such things. And I am getting satisfaction out of it.
Yes, sir.
It is not like giving a banana or a loaf of bread and we don't donate to so that I don't expect my photograph to come in the newspaper or in local channels. No. I would like to keep Amog name at the background. We are serving the society indirectly in our own way.
Okay.
If people ask me, why should I deal with you? You are such a conjuice man. You don't give me extra credit.
Yeah, that is my
So
next question, sir.
That is up to you.
Yeah.
So, but whatever profits I am making out of that X percentage, I am happy that I am spending. Amog is investing for the betterment of these NGOs, or indirectly I am giving it back to the
Society.
nature or the society. That is the whole idea of my life.
Yes. Sir, as you rightly said, that all the industry facing the problem, the business is not up to the mark, and all are worried about upcoming threats and all. So I just want to know what is your feedback, what is your ideas or suggestion to the people or audience, how to bounce back, how we can get back on the track.
Out of my experience, whatever I say, everybody may not agree or need not agree.
Mm-hmm.
What is required at this point of time is patience.
Okay.
Tough times will never last, but tough people will do. It's an old quote, holds good any day, any time, every walks of our life.
Okay.
So you need to be tough. Maybe you will have to cut down certain. You know the difference between needs and wants.
We
I
are
told you.
talking tough about the mental.
Yeah. Mental tough.
Toughness.
You have to be tough to cut down your expenses. There is no rationing of your even food habits.
Yes. Unwanted
Earlier,
things, yes.
maybe every weekend you were going to hotels for. I am talking from a common man.
Common man, yes, yes.
Our level, okay. Not Tata Birla and
Yes.
Bill Gates or that level. I am talking about
It's only for those people who are in the panic mode or who are thinking.
the middle class. See, because of the COVID, according to my knowledge, who has got affected most is one is the daily wager or the poor people. For them, government is supporting.
Yes.
And the upper middle class or the rich class has got no problem at all.
Yes.
Because they can afford to take good treatment or good medication or whatever. And they don't have that financial problem.
Yes.
The big wigs in the industry, big businessmen. At least to take care of their family and themselves, they don't have any problem.
Right.
That much I can say. It is the middle class families like ours are having a tough time. So we need to cut down our expenses,
Yes, sir.
maybe wait patiently.
Yes.
This period will pass on.
Yeah.
Patience is the only solution now. Follow the instructions given by the government as well as maintaining social distance or hygiene factor, using washing your very simple thing, hand with the soap, if not a sanitizer. First, your health is important. Take care of your health.
Yes.
Then maybe negotiate with your owners for the rent part of it.
Right.
Make cutting the manpower is not the solution according to me.
Right.
Wherever possible, call for a meeting and make them understand the situation.
Right.
If the business itself is not there, from where can we pay? It is your own business. Think.
Yes.
Call for a meeting of your employees and tell them that you are the owner of this business.
Business. Yes. Yes.
If you are the owner or you were the owner, what you would have done? And if I am your employee,
Right. This is
You
the
tell me.
best way.
you please tell me how you would have handled this situation. And whatever you tell me, I am ready. To take your suggestions. So you know there is no walk-in customer.
Right.
There is no income. How long I can continue to keep paying you? Tell me what you would have done if you were the owner.
Right.
I will do the same thing. I will try to do the same thing at least. Try to retain them because recruiting again is another headache.
Correct.
Maybe 50% cut, 30% cut in the salary. Because when the business was good, they have one very good incentive. Everybody might be having some or the other savings in some or the other form. It's a matter of maybe another 2-3 months or till December or maybe till next. This entire financial year might go like this. We don't know.
Correct.
We don't know what is going to happen.
So
But
everyone should
only
think-
thing I can tell, the world is not going to come to an end. This
Right.
is not the end.
Yes.
Think positive.
Because even in the Bhagavad Gita, there is a
Wherever-
Kali Yuga, again, lakhs of years are
Yeah,
going to
it-
be there.
it is not going to end that
now.
easily.
Yeah.
And be true to yourself. Have patience. Believe in yourself.
Right, sir.
Believe in God. That's all I can say before we wind up.
Yes, sir.
Believe in the business what you are doing.
Correct.
Believing in your firm. Maybe a saloon, maybe a hotel. You are doing the best.
Yes.
And nothing is going to happen.
Believe in your God.
Believe in your God if you believe in God. Believe in yourself. I believe that work is worship. Whatever is possible you do, because this loss is not only for you and not only for me.
Yes.
It is for the entire world.
Word.
Thank God it is not a tsunami where you are slept. Thank God it is not an earthquake where you are dead.
Yes.
Correct? No?
Yes.
Thank God that it is unlike Hiroshima, Nagasaki, somebody has put a
Nuclear,
bomb,
yeah,
nuclear
nuclear
bomb
attack
on
against
your
one home.
city
Yes.
or on your home. You are still breathing. We are still talking. We are healthy. Now what is required is being mentally strong and adjusting with the situation. And I am sure everybody will come out of this. It's only a matter of time.
Yes.
Take care of your health. Do your job. Profit loss we will see later. Nobody is going to starve.
Right, sir.
Nobody is going to starve. If you belong to that category, government will give you. Otherwise, the minimum business what you are doing, that is sufficient.
Right.
Otherwise, why there are friends? Why there is something called relatives? Why there are NGOs? I mean, why there are... Nobody is going to allow you to die out of starving.
Right.
Wear the clothes what you have. Eat what is available. Sleep nicely.
Avoid
Pray
unwanted things. Yes.
Avoid unwanted expenses. Lead life. Maybe you had a plan to go to Switzerland. Postpone it for 2 years.
Yes.
For example, I wanted to go to Leh, Ladakh and all. Now, I don't know.
Yes.
I cannot go because that is one place which I wanted to see. Now there are two reasons. One could be the war-like situation there. Second is war. We are fighting a war against
War against
COVID-19. So it's a matter of time. We will reach our goal. We will reach our destination, whatever plans we have got. It's only a matter of time. So stay positive, stay patient, and do your job. That's all I can say.
That's really good, sir. That's really good feedback. Dear friends, I have observed one thing he mentioned. This is for all the business people, business owners. He mentioned that we have to look in the leadership angle. Instead of sending the people home, instead of cutting the salary, try to find out the solution. As he mentioned, speak to your members, your people, your employees. Take the feedbacks from them, because this is called a leadership quality. Because many people I have seen, like they act as managers. They give command, do that, do this. But a leadership always take the feedback from the people. So all the owners, all the people, the business people, I request you to change your attitude into leadership, because the leader is the person who work with the people, not give command to the people. So again, I have mentioned him as a benevolent leader. Why? Because I know him since 21 years. I worked with him. We had tough times. We worked in the hot sun. We worked in the rainy, crazy raining days. Everything. We sold a lot of machines. We worked almost all the places, Puttur, Sulya, everywhere we used to go around. He helped the people a lot because I have seen it. See, helping doesn't mean that's a financial, he do that, but apart from that, the moral support. Because the people who has a money, he need moral support sometimes. Even when I was facing problems, mental problems, a year back, 1 year back, I was under mental pressure, so many things. When I spoke to him, I could get some positive vibes. It's a supercharge, I could say. And the second thing, I recently started one community called Share and Grow. It is on the Facebook page. It is a community where I request people to join to share your stories, struggles. And he is a person, he has invited almost 25-30 members, right sir?
Yes.
See,
So without any expense, if you can share something good and you can grow also along with that,
yes sir.
what are we going to lose out of that? You are going to gain only.
Correct. It is a free group because I am not charging anything. There is no money is included. Because when you become a member, you gain lot of specialized knowledge, I can say. As he said, general knowledge can be earned by reading books, that is possible. But specialized knowledge only through the experience. So these group give you specialized knowledge. He is a member. He has invited many people. He has helped many people. And that's why I call him as a benevolent leader, because he is also my leader. He is my mentor too, because I take so many times suggestion from him. So dear friend, thanks for watching this session. I hope you are imbibed a lot of knowledge, a lot of inputs from him, and you understood the secret of his success. I'll catch you with my next session. Till then, take care. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay terrific. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Prashant.
Yeah.
No shaking hand now.
Sorry.
So, thanks for coming.
Thank you,
for
sir.
this
Thank you
interview
very much.
because
Thank you.
Social distance we have maintained, I guess. It is not 2 feet.
It was
but
almost,
it's
yes.
in the pocket.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.